things I didn't know ahead of time that I would have liked to have known. All I had to do was twist it, and then I could have pulled it out instead of having to use the tool. Like I pried it out, and so I nicked it a little bit. But now that I
realized it was a twist,
now I know there's a twist in, and I could have just twisted it left if I had a little bit more grip. And that's gonna be one of the things I tell them is like maybe put some knobs, like edges on it. That way, if someone does need to self-service,
like a little scoring.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like just like two knobs right on the manufactured part, because then that would make it an easier grip to turn.
Yeah.
And then pull out just gently to pull out, because there's a little cable you have to see here. And again, I knew that was coming in because when I got the new one, it showed like it had the little thing here. I'm like, so there's a digital port that I got to be aware of. So I was prying a little bit because I knew that there was 4 grips. And then I was like, okay, I'll just pop one of those out, which I did. And then when I saw it, I'm like, oh, there's like a little slide. So I just like turned it a little bit and popped it right out. Oh, okay. Oh, that works. So now I just have to demonstrate that it works. So, get it.